Okay, well, we're at the end of May and we're on a nice established asparagus bed here, and asparagus spears have been cut, as you can see here. Obviously a good crop off here, but you start to get to the end of May, beginning of June, it's the time to when you start to stop, and you do actually have to reach a point and you say, right, that's it, no more cutting, because the crowns underground need to now gain strength for a crop another year. So you reach that point, you say no more cutting, beginning of June, and you just let the spears do their thing and let the fronds and the leaves grow. Some of these have already started to grow. These will then take up the energy from the sun, from the roots, feed the crowns for a crop next year. So this bed here has been mulched with a nice layer of compost, which you normally do at sort of the end of winter. So it nice feeds the bed. So let these grow, and then come the end of the year, when they start to die back and start to look untidy and yellow, they can then be cut off and the bed tidied up. Another nice layer of thick mulch put on, and you're ready for the crop next year. So that's caring for your asparagus come the summer.